Welcome again on my channel. My dear students, after independence, a new era had been started in India. India was under the clutches of British, and the education system that was running after independence was the education system of the British that had been constituted by the British government only to prepare their employees. Under such circumstances, to build up a strong nation, to give an overall description of the people of our country, an education commission had been formed on July 1964 under the chairmanship of Dr. D.S. Kothari. It consists 17 members. Among 17 members, 11 members were Indian educationists and 6 members were foreign educationists. In my previous class, we already have discussed about it. In my previous class, I have discussed briefly on which situation Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission had been formed, how many members were there, and the name of the members, when the commission had been formed, and after 20 months of their work, in June 1966, the commission had submitted its report. The total report consists 692 pages and the main reports consist 489 pages, and many brief description I had told in my previous class. Today I am going to discuss about the recommendations of Indian Education Commission or Kothari Commission. The first point which I am going to discuss is aims of education as per the recommendation of the Kothari Commission. As per the opinion of Kothari Commission, the aims of education should be fixed on the basis of national interest. The Commission recommended that education should be like that can fulfill the needs, hope and dreams of the public of our country. The aims of strong society in the field of economic, culture and social can be fulfilled only by the weapon of education. For this reason, the spread of education should be in that way that may grow the production of national integration, that may strong the democratic conditions of our country. So these were the aims of education as per the recommendation of the Kothari Commission. Next point, the manufacture of nationalism. We already have come to know in which situation the Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission had been formed. In that situation, the main thing any education commission should focus is on the growth of nationalism. For this reason, Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission recommended that education should be in that way that may be helpful in the growth of nationalism. That means to give bookish knowledge to a child is not enough. To give a movement on the whole education system so that it may be helpful in the growth of the production or manufacture of national wealth, and to do all these fruitful, the aims of education should be scientific, and the knowledge the child can get through the education should be scientific and on the practical basis. So these were the manufacturer of nationalism. Another recommendation of Kothari Commission. Next point I am going to discuss is national integration. National integration. As per the recommendation of the Kothari Commission, the main aim of education should be the development of national integration. For this reason, the national education should be on the basis that may develop overall development of the students. For these reasons, the central government and state government should work jointly to give free education to the students, not in the basis of caste, creed and culture. So the one of the main recommendation we have discussed of Kothari Commission is national integration. Another point of the recommendation of Kothari Commission is the education of language. Indian Education Commission or Kothari Commission focused on the education of language. They recommended that education should be on the basis of mother tongue. The medium of education in primary level, upper primary level, lower secondary level, higher secondary level should be the mother tongue. Mother tongue, besides mother tongue, the students should learn English and Hindi. So the Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission recommended that a student should learn mother tongue or any regional language, English and Hindi. The three languages should be learned by a student in his studentship. This three language policy of Kothari Commission is called the formula of three language. In my next class, we will briefly discuss on the three language formula of Kothari Commission. There were many different recommendations of Kothari Commission. The main recommendations we already have discussed, and the minor recommendations that the Commission recommended are works on social welfare. The Commission recommended that the students should not only learn their bookish knowledge, they should be helpful and should come in advance for the welfare of our society. For this reason, the Commission recommended to form NCC, NSS in school and colleges. Next point, the arrangements or the organization of our society on republic basis. India is a democratic country, and for this reason the Commission recommended that the students should learn what kind of situation and activity and behavior should be the public of a democratic country possess. For this reason, the Commission recommended to develop a democratic situation in school and colleges. Next point, the rise of national thoughts. In the condition when India was under the crisis of financial national thoughts, different communal rights, the Commission felt the need of development of national thoughts in the every public of our country. For this reason, the Commission recommended the rise of national thoughts through education. Next recommendation of Kothari Commission is the change in social structure. Before independence and also after independence, the social structure of our country is full of superstitions, and there were caste system and so many distresses for the lower classes. To give a victory on the caste system and to give a relief on the distress of the lower classes, the Commission recommended that the students should come forward to change the social status of our country so that the nation and the public of our country should be aware about the superstitions and can get rid of from the curse of caste system. Another topic of another recommendation of Kothari Commission is the development of characters and characteristic features in moral and spiritual. The commission knows it very much that to raise national thoughts, to develop the thoughts of national integration, and to develop a strong nation, the characters of our nations, of our public, should morally and spiritually be strong. And for this reason, the commission recommended that our education system should try to develop the spiritual and moral characters of our students in the way to give them lessons on various epics from our country. So these were the recommendations of Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission we have discussed today. In my next class, we will discuss about the structures of education and many different things of Kothari Commission. Okay, thank you my dear students. In my next class, we will discuss about more things. Thank you. My dear students, notes related to the videos have already been given in PDF format in our college WhatsApp group. You can also find the supporting notes in every video's description. If you want more about the video or about the topic, you can also mail me on shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel subhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. That is shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. The mail ID has also given on the video description. Thank you.